So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how we're able to make about $526 on GBP USD step by step, starting from the trade entry, trade management, and everything else that's going to be very important for you to become a consistently profitable trader. All right, so make sure you watch till the very end so that you can see everything. All right, let me just show you what happened before all this mess right here. So we can go to our M&F premium signals community right here. You can see that we had a nice trade that we had right here on GBP USD. You can see that we waited for the market to actually take out this level right here. So the market took out that level right there, and you can see the Asian session was also taken out. And then the market eventually came to our area, wanted this to be taken out, and you can see that the market came to this level, and we were able to send this signal as a signal in our private community. You can see that the stop loss was like 3 pips, and our target was 45 pips right here. So let me just show you what ended up happening. A few minutes later, like almost like less than 20 minutes later, the market pushed beautifully to the upside right here with big momentum candles. Then we're able to go break even inside the community to go break even at this particular level. And then we saw the market again continue to push all the way right there, and the market continued to break structure like that. Later on, we saw the market now going almost coming to our TP. Unfortunately, it started reacting from this level right here, and after the market came to that level, it was like, okay guys, let's close this particular trade because the market had changed direction. All right, so let me show you now what was happening exactly on the chart. Let's start from the higher time frame so that we can go all the way to the to the lower time frames and everything. So for me, I looked at this as an uptrend. The market was going up, therefore I was looking for selling, for buying opportunities. Very, very clear. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if we're able to see something. So we can see a bit of something right here, but let me just show you, let me just point it out for you guys. So you can see that we have a drop based rally with a break of structure, and then we saw the market now giving us a ton of liquidity right here. Very, very important. Let's drop even further to the lower time frame. You can see that the market came and actually took out the high and the low of the Asian session, and also taking out this liquidity. Let's drop to the 50 minutes time frame, and I show you the exact reason why I actually entered this particular trade. So it's really important for you guys to go to the lower time frame and actually see the price action happen on the lower time frame. It's very, 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 very important. So you can see that the market was going to the downside, right? Then our initial area of value was this level right here. This is where I was looking to actually buy from. However, you can see that the market literally took out this nice drop-based rally. The market took it out, right? So after the market took that out, so what I wanted to do to confirm was a change of character. So you can see that the market came to this level, then touched our zone, pushed a bit to the upside, and then it dropped. So when the market dropped, meaning it took out everyone who was trying to sell from this level right here. Everyone was taken out. And guess what happened? What was happening on the lower time frame? The market was shifting. So what is the first sign of shifting of the market? It's a change of character. So you can see market making low, higher high, break of structure, then it starts to break structure. So it makes this high right here, it goes down and forms what? An equal low, and then it goes above right here and break this structure. Once I had that break of structure, I just waited for the market now to pull back into this zone right here, and then it was history. So the market beautifully tapped into my area right here, and this was about to share this signal right here. You can see that it was about initially it was about 1 to 13 risk reward ratio, and yeah, basically about 3 pips stop loss and a target of 45 pips. And once the market came to this level, we're able to go break even, as I've already shown you here. We were able to go break even after the market had taken out that high right there. We went break even, and then after that, what did we have? We had the market now push to the upside aggressively. You can see that the market moved from here to that level right here beautifully. And once the market started to do what? Started to reverse. It reached this level right here. It started to reverse. We're just about 3 hours away from our target. Then I saw the market doing something crazy. All right. So it's really important for you to pay attention to how the market is reacting. It's very, very, very important. So you can see that the market was making a high, it made a low, and then it made a higher high, right? Almost actually an equal high. So that's the first sign of weakness in the market. The market failing to break previous highs. So after that, I saw the market now coming to this level. So I was like, okay, I'll wait for you here. So let me just show you what's happening at that particular area right there. So you realize that the market created a low right here. So I didn't want this low to be broken. So if this low was going to be broken, then I'm going to be out of the market. Because why? Because the market would have changed direction. So you don't want previous lows to be broken. Once they are broken, it means that there's the potential change of the market direction. And this is exactly what ended up happening. So once the market broke this low, I was able to tell the community, guys, let's get out. Let's close GBP USD. And that's how we were able to close this particular trade, because this low was broken. And we ended up closing this trade with about over 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. Let me just see. It was about 1 to, let me just confirm. It was about 1 to, let me see. Yeah, 1 to 9 risk reward ratio on this particular trade. And beautifully, and I made about 521 US dollars on this particular trade. I'm going to pop the screen right here or the screenshot of the trade I actually took and how much money I made on that particular trade. Otherwise, I'm really happy in terms of how I was able to manage this trade and how I communicated everything in our mentorship, in our signals community right here. So you can see that right from the entry of the trade right here, from the entry of the trade to management of the trade, break-even of the trade, and exiting of the trade, it was just amazing. And you can see just after we exited the trade, guess what? The market dropped further to the downside and then tried to push up to the upside, failed to make another high right there. And guess what? The market now melted all the way to the downside. So if you don't manage trades the right way, you end up getting out with anything. So if I didn't manage this trade the way I did, I would have lost out on everything, because the market ended up going all the way to the downside, which would have been bad, right? So it's really important that you learn the art of trade management. All right. So apart from that, we actually had another beautiful trade on gold. Let me just show you as a bonus. So you can see that right here we had a beautiful entry on gold. Right, you can see we had a nice drop base rally right here. And I was waiting for the market to take out the Asian session. You can see that the market beautifully took out the Asian session and then started to push to the upside. And I already knew that the overall bias of the market was actually to the upside. So you can see there was a drop-based rally with liquidity right here. The market came and took out this low right here. After that, I was able to share this trade as a signal. We can see stop loss 10 pips and 84 pips target. After that, we saw the market nicely pushing to the upside like that. Beautifully, like that. The market continued to go to the upside, and we were able to go break even on gold as well. Then later on, we saw the market now starting to just like GBP USD, we saw the market now reversing. So you can see that the market had made a high, then made a low right here, and then started to fail. There were a lot of signs of it failing because there was a lot of consolidating right here. And after that, I was able to tell the community to just get out of the particular trade right here. And yeah, and on both trades, we actually made the right call. So guys, that's what happened today. It was a beautiful trade we made. We were profitable today. Very good. I was happy with how we managed our trades, and really commendable. Make sure you find a way of paying yourself to the when the market presents an opportunity. Don't just wait for the market to give you everything, because most of the times it won't, right? So make sure you find a way of managing your trades, either by trading the stop loss, or by actively managing your trades, or by simply taking partials, whatever you're comfortable with. Make sure that you do that. All right, so I thought I would come with you guys with this video. I hope you found value. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. And remember, we're still running our 30% off promotion on all our services. If you are interested in our mentorship community, make sure you check the first thing in the description. If you want our signals, talk to me in the via the link in the description right there. On Telegram, we're able to actually discuss whatever you want. All right, you guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.